Let us take some easy problems on rate measure. Okay. First one, find the rate of change of area. First one, find the rate of change of area. Means we have to work out area is A, we have to work out dA by dt. Here in this particular rate measure topic, the change is with respect to time only. Major 99% of the problem, it is change with respect to time. Means you have to differentiate with respect to time. Means d by dt should be taken. Nonetheless, it is mentioned, find the rate of change with respect to radius is mentioned. Then you have to take radius means r. You have to take d by dr. Otherwise, it is the rate of change. Change is always taking place with respect to time. No. So what it is, so your height is what 160 centimeters, then after 1 year it will be with respect to time, it is changing. Every quantity changes with respect to time generally, is it not? That's why, so it is the rate of change with respect to time. So it is the topic, means almost all problems are to be differentiated with respect to time, d by dt should be taken. For some exceptional problems are there. If it is mentioned in the problem, find the rate of change of area with respect to radius is especially mentioned, then you have to take dA by with respect to radius means r, dA by dr. Otherwise it is rate of change with respect to time. Okay, the find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to the radius. In the first problem only it is given. With respect to radius means we have to work out dA by not dt with respect to radius in there, no? Therefore with respect to radius means dA by dr. Okay, differentiating with respect to x means we are taking d by dx. With respect to t means d by dt. With respect to radius is r, d by dr should be taken. Okay. Rate of change of area means A, therefore dA by dr you have to work out. Okay. So with respect to radius r, when question number 1, when r is equal to 3 cm, first one, r is equal to 3 centimeters, second one, r is equal to 4 centimeters. One or two problems is thoroughly understood, then this problem, actually this rate measure is an easy topic. Okay. So first, rate of change of area we want. A is equal to what? Pi r square. A is equal to pi r square. Okay. Here A is equal to area of the circle. First write down the equation of area. You have to write down the equation, suitable equation. Since rate of change of area is the question, it means you have to write down the area equation of that particular given figure. If rate of change of volume is asked of a particular figure, and then you have to write down the equation of volume. Rate of change of surface area is asked of a particular figure, then you have to write down the formula of surface area of that figure, geometrical figures. Okay. Therefore, area is to be written. Area of a circle. What is the area of a circle? Pi r square. Differentiating with respect to not t, because with respect to radius is mentioned. Therefore, differentiating. So try to understand what you have to work out here. Find the rate of change of area. Rate of change of area means area is A with respect to radius. Therefore, you have to work out dA by dr. What you have to work out in this topic is understood. Rest is routine. Okay. Differentiating with respect to r, not to t here. dA by dr is equal to pi constant d by dr of r square. Okay. Therefore, dA by dr, find the rate of change of area of the circle with respect to the radius r. Okay. dA by dr is equal to, this is the question, rate of change of area. Okay, we have to work out this one, dA by dr. I outside, what is the r square differentiation with respect to r? Find it. I told in the beginning only. So in simple differentiation, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q are constants, but here it is an application of differentiation. So these A, B, C, D are not the constants. When it, suppose B represent the breadth of a rectangle. When the rectangle is under changing mode, the dimension changes, the breadth changes automatically. Breadth is not constant. A quantity which is changing is called variable. In that case, in this case, V is not a constant, V is variable. Okay, that's why. So the rule of A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R constant is applicable only for simple differentiation, not for application. Depending upon the problem, nature of the problem, you have to decide which quantity is constant here, which quantity is variable, not based on the letters. Okay, R is the constant, used to be taken as constant in simple differentiation, but not here. Okay, depending upon the nature of the problem, you have to decide which one is variable, which one is constant. Variable means the quantity which is under changing mode, which is under what it is variable mode, means which changes, the quantity which changes with respect to time or with respect to whatever it may be, then that is not a constant, that is a variable. That's simply. So based on the letters, you should not decide the constant or variable here. Based on the problem, you have to decide which letter represents the constant, which represents the variable. R is radius. In the circle is under expansion, and automatically radius changes, increases. Therefore, R is not constant here, which is the quantity which is changing is variable. Okay. Therefore, R square differentiation with respect to R, 2 into R raised to 2 minus 1, simple differentiation, x raised to n differentiation into x raised to n minus 1 with respect to R only. Therefore, only differentiation formula. Therefore, dA by dr is equals to 2 pi R. Okay. dA by dr is 2 pi R. Now, first one is we have to go dA by dr under various circumstances. Look here, the circle is under expansion mode. When the circle expands, the radius changes. R is 2 here. After certain time, R is equals to 3. After certain time, R is 4. The radius circle is under expansion mode. For example, H2O is dropped in the calm surface of water. Automatically, there will be ripples, water waves, ripples. Ripples. Ripple is dropped. Then there will be ripples. Ripples means water waves. Water waves expands in the form of circles, propagates in the form of circles, on the basis of expanding circles. So that is the one example where the circle expands. Therefore, when R is equals to 3 centimeter, this is 12. Now it is almost 12 o'clock. I am still energetic to teach, but you people are not ready to watch 3-4 videos. That is half an hour videos. Not at all watching only. I have observed chemistry and biology and physics. Very poor performance as far as watching is concerned. You people are not at all interested. So since from the morning at 7 o'clock, 7 to 12 o'clock, I am working. So are you feeling I am tired? No. So I am not working, simply it is reading and writing, that working is not there. So one session I am doing the labor, almost labor, going to the field and working like anything. Okay. But so you people are not yet having any, what it is, a challenging attitude. I have to achieve something. So actually, when R is equals to 3 centimeters, then dA by dr is equals to 2 pi into 3, that is equals to 6 pi. Area means centimeter square, no? Per centimeter square per centimeter. Why it is? Unit is important. If your unit is not written in this particular problem, then you are losing 1 marks. So area means centimeter square because centimeter is mentioned or radius. Length is mentioned in centimeter. Therefore, area is 2-dimensional. Therefore, centimeter square, area for one unit is centimeter square or meter square. And radius means centimeter. Therefore, centimeter square per centimeter. Area centimeter square upon radius or centimeter. Centimeter square upon centimeter is 65 centimeters. Okay. And second one, when R is equals to 4 centimeters, then dA by dr is equals to same in this particular formula. If you are taking different R, you are getting the different, what it is, rate of change of area. Okay. So So this is the first answer. So dA by dr is equals to 2 pi into r is 4. That's equals to saying 8 centimeter. 8 pi centimeter. Okay. With respect to radius. Suppose it is with respect to time, then here comes upon dt, then centimeter square per second. Okay. And it will be a is in a centimeter square. Upon with respect to time is asked, then upon time is time unit is second for centimeter square per second, but here it is centimeter square upon centimeter. Area is in centimeter square, radius is length is in centimeter. 1 centimeter unit cancels. Okay, this is the rate of change of area. Here we have to work out dA by dr. Here we have to work out rate of change of area means dA. I told you dy by dx represents the rate of change of y with respect to x. Here rate of change of area means a with respect to radius means r, for dA by dr. Second problem. One problem is understood thoroughly, all are same nature. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. Per second is there. Given in the given problem, centimeter cube per second. Per second means what? The second means time, no? So upon dt, differentiation with respect to time. Okay. The volume of a cube is increasing. The volume of a cube is increasing. Second problem. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. At the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. Can you tell me what is this given quantity? 8. 8 is the given volume. The volume of the cube is increasing or decreasing means it is the rate of change. Okay, simply volume is there, that is V. Volume is changing, increasing or decreasing means it is the rate of change. Okay, therefore it is not, the unit itself is just that. Centimeters cube per second. Centimeter cube is volume, per second is time, but it is changing means V upon time. T should not be taken. Change means D, no? D represents or delta represents change. Therefore, it is not simply V by T, dV by dt. That's it. Not. Look at the word. The volume of the cube is increasing. Increasing means it is changing. No? What do you mean by increase? Increase or decrease means it is a change. Okay. Either your percentage increases or decreases, there will be a change. Therefore, the word increase or decrease always represents a change. Therefore, it is a change of volume with respect to time. It means rate of change of volume. Simply volume should not be taken. The word increasing or decreasing or changing is there. Simply V should not be taken. It is dV by dt. Volume of cube increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. First stop, how fast is the surface area increasing? How fast? How fast is the surface area? Is the surface area increasing? Surface area increasing when the length of the edge is 12 centimeter. When the length of the edge is 12 centimeters. Okay, cube. So to playing the which game? The cuboid game, no? We have a given hurdle. So making all the 6 faces with same colors. Each face should be what it is, should have same color on cube game you are playing, no? The cube. So let X be the size of the cube. The cube will have 6 surfaces, all are of equal areas. because all edges of the cubes are equal. Okay, so let x be the sides, means edge. Sides x, what unit is mentioned here? Centimeter, no? Therefore, x centimeter be the size of a cube. Okay, length of the cube, side of a cube. This is a cube, no? Cube ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? All 6 surfaces ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ equal ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? This is the cube, no? ಇದು x. All sides are equal length. There are 6 surfaces. Okay, look at the read. What we have to work out, just identify that one first. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. It is not simply volume, it is the change in volume. Change in volume means it is dV. What we the volume change in volume is dV. Upon second interval means per time it is. Therefore, with respect to time, therefore dV by dt it is. dV by dt 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast the surface area? The totally 6 surfaces will be there. So, how fast the surface area, the total surface area is increasing in the question. Suppose S is the surface area, then I have to work out ds by dt. Okay, S is the surface area. S is the surface area. What you have to work out, that is to be decided first. Once it is understood, then problem solution is nothing here. So, S is the surface area of the cube. In bracket I will write, we have to work out ds by dt. Why with respect to time? Because look at the given quantity. Upon second interval, per second interval means differentiation is with respect to time should be taken. Per second or per minute, per hour is there, means the differentiation is with respect to time. Okay, mind that point. So we have to find ds by dt. Okay. S is the surface area. What is the surface area? One surface area is, it is x square. There are 6 surface areas. Therefore 6x square. Because there are 6 surfaces of equal areas, x square each. There are 6 surface areas. Majority of the students are not doing well in this application of differentiation. Actually, so simple. Not many formulas are there. Only simple one line formula for each and every, almost each and every, except maximum and minimum, for each and every sections, but still not doing well. There is, because these you are not ready to imagine the realities. A body is changing, how it is changing. That imagination you are not doing. Okay, there are 6 surfaces in a cube of area x square each. Okay. Now, x time being to stop here only, but volume is mentioned. No? Volume is dV by dt is given. Therefore, take the equation of volume. We have to take the equation of volume. Why? Equation of volume is this. Later on, let's do the side only just take. Okay. Differentiating with respect to time. Volume. Why we have to take the volume equation? You will understand. So, differentiating with respect to time. Time t. Why time t? I told in the beginning only. If it is not mentioned in the rate measure topic, if it is not mentioned differentiation with respect to radius or with respect to breadth, width, then the differentiation is with respect to time only. If it is not mentioned differentiation with respect to which variable, then it is understood it is differentiation with respect to time only. Or even quantity itself suggests that differentiation is with respect to time upon second interval, upon second means upon dt. Therefore, ds by dt is equals to 6 outside d by dt of x square. Then again comes the mismatching of the variable. X with respect to t, not possible. Chain rule is to be taken. It is 2x into dx by dt. Understood? X with respect to t is there. X with respect to x, then it is differentiation of x square is d by dx of x square is 2x, but with respect to time is there. differentiating with respect to t on both sides, is you have to take d by dt on both sides. Therefore, ds by dt is equals to 6 into what it is. I will apply the chain rule. Directly you could have written 2x into dx by dt. Okay, but anyhow, so x square cannot be differentiated with respect to t. With respect to x only is needed. Therefore, I have taken dx of x square. This dx is taken additional. Therefore, into dx upon dt. Suppose you are well versed with this type of what it is chain rule, then straight away you could have written 6 into 2x into dx by dt. This type is actually not necessary. But just for reminding the theory, so variable mismatch should not be there by differentiation. Differentiation of a certain variable with respect to same variable only is possible. That's why I apply the chain rule. Dx is taken, x with respect to x is necessary, therefore dx is taken. This dx is additional one taken in the denominator. Therefore, into dx upon this dt is shifted here. Okay. Therefore, ds by dt is 6 into 2x. X square differentiation with respect to x is 2x into dx by dt. That is ds by dt is equals to 6 to the 12x into dx by dt. Look here, here comes one unknown. Here, when the edge is 12 cm, edge means it is x only. Okay, x is 12 is given. X is 12 is given. But what about dx by dt? Dx by dt is not 12. Simply edge means the side. Side is 12. The cube is increasing, and when the x is 12 now, x has become 12. In the next 1 second, how much is the increase in the surface area? It is under the increasing mode. Okay. When it reaches the stage of x is equal to side is 12 cm, in the next 1 second, how much is the change in the surface area of the cube is the question. Therefore, it is not x here, edge is 12 means not it is dx by dt, it is simply x. So, change in the edge is there or increasing in the edge is there, then it is dx by dt. Simply edge means it is not the dx by dt, edge means simply x. It is not let x be the sides or edge. Sides or edge one and the same. Okay. Therefore, it is x is given, not dx by dt. We have to work out dx by dt on the basis of the change of volume. So here this volume is equals to, I am taking the volume equation here, volume of a cube is x cube, no? Differentiate with respect to t. Now let us take the given information with respect to t. dv by dt is equal to d by dt of x cube. Therefore, dv by dt is how much given? dv by dt is 8. 8. No need of writing the units here. 8 is enough. 8 is equals to what is the x cube differentiation? 3x square into dx by dt. X cube differentiation with respect to t. Again, chain rule. I am not writing chain rule. Chain rule. Straight away I am writing. X cube 3x square. 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1 2 no. But with respect to t there. Therefore, into dx by dt. X with respect to x simply 3x square. But x with respect to t additionally dx by dt should be taken upon dt continuous. ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವುದು dt ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಸರಿನಾ x ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ dx by dt is not d by dx of y cube 3y square into y ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ y cube therefore dy upon dx ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ d into dy by dx d by dx of y cube is 3y square into dy by dx ಹಾಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ dx by dt dt ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರಿನಾ therefore this 8 upon 3x square is equal to dx by dt. How it is 8? Because given that dv by dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. Here it is. Volume is I told increasing or changing means it is not v, it is dv by dt. Okay. Therefore, let us run with this dx by dt. dv by given volume is 8 cm per second. Therefore, dv by dt is 8. And we got dx by dt as what? Here this dx by dt dx by is cross multiplied. Given this dv by dt is 8. Then dx by dt as it is. Therefore, substitute dx by dt, ds by dt is equal to 12x into 8 upon 3x squared. Therefore, ds by dt is equal to 1x cancels, 3 1s are 3 4s are 4 8s are 32 by x. Now take when x is equal to 20 centimeters. Take x now. Given that, find the rate of how far the surface area is increasing. This is about ds by dt. Increasing or decreasing means it is ds by dt or dv by dt. Changing, increasing means it is not simply volume is changing, surface area is changing, increasing. How fast it is changing. It is not simply yes, ds by dt, dv by dt. How far the area is changing. It is not simply a dA by dt. Okay. How far the area is changing means we should not work out area A, we should work out dA by dt. Therefore, ds by dt is equal to 32 upon 12, 4, 8 are 32, or 4, 3 are 8 by 3, unit is to be written centimeter square per second. The surface area, area is 2 dimensional. Now, 3 are homework. Question exercise number 6.1. Third and fourth is homework for you. Okay, third and fourth is homework for you. I'll just read out the problem. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 cm per second. Radius is increasing is mentioned. 3 cm per second means the given quantity is dr by dt. Okay, find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing. I have worked out dA by dt when the radius is 10 cm. So only we can work out. Okay, A is equals to pi r square and differentiating with respect to t. The first problem, rate of change of area with respect to radius is mentioned, but here with respect to time is given because radius is increasing at the rate of 3 cm per second. Per second is with respect to time. So for differentiating with respect to time should be taken. dA by dt is equals to pi percent to the d by dt of r square. That is dA by dt is equals to pi into r square. Differentiation is 2r. With respect to r, then it is 2r. But with respect to t, then chain rule into dr by dt. R with respect to t is there. No, therefore usual formula of differentiation, r square differentiation is 2r into dr by dt. R with respect to t, variable mismatching is there. The usual formula of differentiation for all variables, this chain rule is applicable if the differentiation is with respect to some other variable. Okay, R with respect to time ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, R time ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಯೂಸುವಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ r square is 2 into r raised to 2 minus 1 with respect to t ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ dr by dt. ಈ t ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಈ r ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dr ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, x ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dx, ಇಲ್ಲಿ m ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dm, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Therefore, so it is given that dr by dt, the beginning only it is given, dr by dt is 3 cm per second, radius is changing at the rate of 3 cm per second. Therefore, so x is when x is 10 cm. So in the t given in the problem it is given, dA by dt is 3. X is equal to 10 now, dA by dt is equals to 5 into 2 into x is, sorry, r, radius, I'm sorry, radius is 10 is given, not x, radius is 10 is given, here no x in the picture, radius is 10 cm is given, means r is 10, simply radius means r, rate of change of radius means dr by dt, okay, therefore it is 5 into 2 into 10 into 3, sorry na, oral question, another one is like that only, an edge of a variable cube increasing at the rate of 3 cm per second, x is the edge, then dx by dt is 3 cm per second, okay. How fast is the volume of the cube is increasing? dV by dt you have to work out. Here one is the picture. dV by dt, volume is x cube. When the edge is 10 cm. So here is the answer. dV by dt is 3x square into dx by dt. Given that edge is increasing at the rate of 3 cm, therefore 3. Then, so when x is equal to 10, dV by dt you have to work out. So I work out dV by dt. So 3x square into 3x is given as 10, therefore 10 square 100. Find the rate of change of volume means you have to work out dV by dt. ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓದಿ, ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ತಲೆ ಕೆತ್ತ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೀಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ 0